700 families in Mumbai's posh Worli area face an imminent threat of being rendered homeless, with the municipal corporation set to demolish 35 floors of 7 illegal buildings in the area, while the residents claim that they are being made scapegoats of the BMC builder nexus.
It is impossible for us to move out in 48 hours.
Why is it that we've been denied our basic right?
48 आवर्स का सिर्फ टाइम मिला है। अभी मैं उसको यहाँ से लेके कहाँ जाऊँ?
मेरे को ये घर मेरे हक का और मेरे को देना चाहिए।
They have been living in their dream homes for several decades. But on Monday, all their hopes and aspirations could come crashing down. As the 11 AM deadline nears for the demolition of nearly 35 illegal floors of 7 buildings at Worli's upscale Campacola compound in Mumbai, all that these residents can do is anxiously hope and pray for a miracle to happen. For 24 years, Neelam Shah has been staying with her family in her apartment, which she had bought for Rs 48 lakh then. A widow with 3 children, one of whom is appearing for her law exams. Her life is in a flux. All their belongings lie packed, but they have nowhere to go.
BMC takes 25 years to come up with all this, to get us thrown out of a house and give us 48 hours. How do you expect to completely transform my full life?
मैं यहाँ से भाग के नहीं जा रही हूँ, मेरे पास दूसरा कोई साधन नहीं है। मैं पूरी फैमिली के साथ बिल्डिंग के छत पे रहूंगी और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं कैसे भी अपने इस घर को बचाऊं और मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगी नहीं, हटूंगी बिल्कुल नहीं। मेरे को ये घर मेरे हक का और मेरे को देना चाहिए।
Across the compound, Dhruv Jain cannot even comprehend the impending turmoil that is there in his life. The 12-year-old suffers from microcephaly, a debilitating ailment in which the patient is unable to move or talk properly. His parents are with the fear that their only son will not be able to adjust to a new environment.
मेरा बच्चा है एक, उसको एक माइक्रोसेफेली करके डिजीज है। वो 12 इयर्स का है, ना वो बोलता है, ना बैठता है, ना उठता है, ओनली लेटा रहता है। अभी मैं उसको यहाँ से लेके कहाँ जाऊँ?
Support has come for the residents of political quarters, with the BJP and AAP expressing their solidarity. But for the moment, they remain mere lip service.
मैंने जब इनकी बात सुनी थी तब मैंने कहा था पहले मैं आपके पेपर देखना चाहूंगा। मैंने इनके पेपर देखने के बाद समझा है कि इनकी बात जायज है, इसलिए इनके साथ मैं खड़ा हूँ। 20,000 मीटर के ऊपर ही डिस्प्यूट है, तो जो रेगुलाइजेबल है कम से कम उसके बारे में तो महानगर पालिका को सोचना चाहिए।
Right now we are standing at the ground zero that Campacola compound where the BMC is going to conduct its demolition, and as you can see there, the 6 buildings which are under the scanner are Asia Ekta apartment, BY apartment, Orchid apartment, Patel apartment and Midtown apartment. Residents are stiff on their demand that there should be at least a proper time given to them to vacate their house. With camera person Sandeep, this is Samir Dikshit in Mumbai for Headlines Today.
All right, Samir Dikshit, in fact, is now joining us with the latest from Mumbai. Samir, that eviction deadline is nearing. I think at about 11 o'clock, BMC officials are going to come to some of these residential buildings for eviction and then demolition. Are there any last-ditch attempts that are being made by the residents?
Well, Ruchika, as of now, there is a bit of relief to the residents because additional municipal commissioner of BMC has said that now they are going to take a gap of 2 days and next they will start the demolition on 2nd of May. So for these 2 days, at least there is a bit of relief, but the protest is still on. As you can see, the residents, they are along with me, and the poster, along with the posters and the protest, they are still on with their protest. And what's their objections, sir? I would like to know that it is illegal. Supreme Court has said that it is illegal. Then why still there is an objection?
We've been living for the past 25 years over here. We paid our taxes. I do not think that can be considered illegal. To us, giving a notice of 48 hours is completely undemocratic and we need to protest against that.
But now BMC says that their action will start on 2nd of May. But they will take action. They are affirmed with their strategy.
You tell me, for the last 25 years, I as a tax-paying citizen have paid my stamp duties, registrations, property tax. Agar ye structure illegal hai, so on what basis did BMC accept all those taxes? Secondly, you tell me, a household of 23 years or 25 years, where will I take it? Whether it is 10 days or 15 days. In a city like Bombay, I don't have the money, I don't have the resources to go and shift anywhere. How can anyone say I am illegal? And for the last 3 years, suddenly things have come to a head because some developer has bought a plot next door. And in India, if you're rich, you're good, and if you're poor, you're bechara. Where does the middle class go? Where do people like us who are honest tax-paying citizens of the country, where do we go?
Exactly, the anger and pain, it clearly reflects from the word of resident, but the protest, along with the protest, they are looking out for all the other possible options. Ma'am, what is your next plan of action? What you are next going to do?
We are going to the authorities to ask for reprieve, at least for an extension in this. We are not saying that we are going to defy the law or the Supreme Court. We just want more time, and we have to consider several other options. We are going to...
they are looking out for other options, either to approach municipal corporation and along with their protest on.